Act now, unveiling the power of 2 simple words. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the English phrase, act now. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, when to use it, and why it's so impactful. Let's get started. Act now is a phrase made up of 2 words. 1. Act. This means to take action, to do something. 2. Now. This refers to the present moment. When combined, they form a compelling command urging someone to take immediate action. Everyday conversations. In everyday speech, someone might use act now to encourage quick decisions or actions. For example, a friend might say, if you want those concert tickets, you should act now. They're selling out fast. Marketing and advertisements. You've probably seen or heard this phrase in commercials or advertisements. Companies use act now to create urgency. They want consumers to feel that they need to make a purchase immediately or risk missing out on a deal. Inspirational and motivational contexts. Motivational speakers or books might use act now to inspire people to seize the moment and make positive changes in their lives. Why is this phrase so effective? It taps into our human nature. When we believe time is limited, we're more likely to make decisions quickly. By urging someone to act now, you're implying that waiting might lead to missed opportunities. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, act now. It's more than just 2 words, it's a powerful call to action. So, the next time you come across act now, remember the sense of urgency it carries. And of course, in the spirit of this phrase, if you found this video helpful, don't wait. Share it with your friends and fellow learners now. Happy learning!